Hey, hi, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome Silver Line for Nissan Magnite. Actually, this accessory is available only at the top variant, but we can install aftermarket on our own. So here is a video. It will explain you step by step process. So this is the product I received. So we have a double side tape at back side, and this is steel part. Initially, I thought this was plastic, but this was steel. It was good. And we have a protective layer at the top. We can peel this one, I believe. So you see this, like this, we have to peel. And the quality is great and it is reflective also. Okay, now let's see how to install. So we have a cowlings. So we need to clean the rubber beading first. So like that. So take the cloth and gently rub the surface. So after cleaning, we can easily install by removing the backside tape and position the part and stick the part. So we can apply little pressure at the top. We can paste the part. Now you see here. So we need to position like this. We need to lift the plastic part. We need to insert this part. So maximum the length will match. So I have paste now. So just apply some pressure and position the part. So do the same thing for other beading. Just clean the beading and remove the backside tape and place it. And only thing is you should remember is you need to remove the protective tape before installation, because after installation it would be difficult. It will be difficult to peel off. So this is a bit tricky part. So you need to position the part. You need to adjust here and there. So you can take the reference of this plastic and you need to position both edge. Make sure you are not pasting on the paint. So take the reference of the paint edge and you need to adjust left and right side and position the part. Once you done, you need to remove the backside tip and you can paste it. That's it.